But I do write books. That's my other job. Besides playing music, it's my day job. I write books. And sometimes the music career and the book career will overlap a little bit. This is one of those examples. This next song, it's called Slow Falling Rain, something which we've been getting a little bit of in Texas here, which is appreciated. And I wrote this song because I had a couple of characters in one of my books. The book is called Shortgrass Song. I don't think I have any copies of it with me here tonight, but it's the story of a drifting cowboy musician. And there's a female character in the book named Amelia. And Amelia was from back east, and she lived in a rich family and was used to a luxurious lifestyle. But she fell in love with a rancher out on the front range of Colorado, and so she moved out to the frontier and had to give up a lot of her niceties from life back east. And so this song is her husband Pete singing to her because he sure appreciates that she's putting up with all this nonsense out on the frontier. This is called Slow Falling Rain. Thunder rumbled in my dreams this morning. It was distant but plain. I tried to hold back the day and the dawn. I tried to dream of some rain. Heard the horses stampede to the stable. They always know. Waking up, I saw you in the breeze at the window, with your hair flowing. Keep on believing, Amelia. I understand your pain. You've given up your own dreams for me. You ain't got so much to gain. Just let me hold you whenever life starts to make you insane. Let me love you like a slow falling rain. Like a rain. Something soothing about the sound of the raindrops playing on window panes. There's something real about the ring of a rooftop singing under the rain. I believe we can get through the summer. I believe in this dream. I believe you're a sight to behold with lightning in your eyes gleaming. Keep on believing, Amelia. I understand your pain. You've given up your own dreams for me. You ain't got so much to gain. Just let me hold you whenever life starts to make you insane. Let me love you like a slow falling rain. Keep on believing, Amelia. I understand your the slow falling rain, like a rain